FizzClean Toilet Cleaning Foam. It's a foaming toilet cleaner that claims you can clean your toilet instantly without scrubbing. All you have to do, according to them, is pour the powder into the bowl, let it foam up, and watch it remove stains, grime, rust, limescale, and bad odors. Sounds easy, right? But the big question is it actually legit? So let's break it down step by step. The first thing that caught our attention was the before and after images shown on their website. At first glance, they look impressive. But when we looked closer and ran a reverse image search, we found that these images were taken from other websites. If a company can't show real results from their own product, how can we trust what they're selling? Using copied images is a major red flag. Next, we checked the product image itself. Again, it looked professional and convincing. But when we searched it using Google Lens, the same image appeared on multiple unrelated websites. That means the image may not even be their real product. And if they can't show a genuine product photo, trust becomes a serious issue. After that, we noticed the marketing style. The website is full of phrases like 75% off, holiday deal, and lowest price of the year. There's also a countdown timer that never really ends. This kind of fake urgency is designed to rush people into buying, not to inform them. And honestly, that feels misleading. Then come the big claims. FizzClean says it removes 99.9% of bacteria and cleans everything without scrubbing. It also claims to work on many different surfaces. But there's no clear proof, no lab reports, and no testing details to back any of this up. The description only talks about positives and avoids mentioning limits or safety concerns. That makes the claims feel exaggerated rather than honest. Finally, let's talk about reviews. On their website, the reviews look perfect, almost too perfect. They even claim a 4.9-star trust rate with over 8,000 reviews on Trustpilot. But when we checked Trustpilot ourselves, we found 0 reviews. That's a huge concern. We also searched Reddit and found nothing at all. Without real and independent feedback, it's impossible to judge how well this product actually works. So what's the final takeaway? Based on everything we found, FizzClean Toilet Cleaning Foam shows multiple red flags. Copied images, aggressive sales tactics, bold claims without proof, and questionable review information all hurt its credibility. Without transparency or genuine user feedback, we can't confidently say this product is legit. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with others who might be thinking about buying this product, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.